Today I am going to discuss about the plugin of contract form 7. I will discuss step by step each and every point elaborately so that you can understand how you can use the contract form 7 in WordPress. So let's start. To do work on contract form 7, first of all you have to go to the backend of the WordPress by entering your email and password. I am going to log in my WordPress. Here is the backend of my WordPress. First of all, you have to download the plugin and activate it on your WordPress. To do so, you have to click on the plugin, then click on add new. After that, just search contract form 7. Here is the plugin. This is an excellent plugin. Actually 1+ million active installation is available and 4-star rating. Maximum user of WordPress are actually using this contract form. So let's install now. After completing installation, we will get a menu here about contract form. Click on active, then that will be appeared here. Contract form 7 is activated. Now you will get a contract form here. Just click on the contract form, and here is the shortcut code. First of all, I am going to see what it appears when we apply this shortcut code. Just copy this code and apply it on the contract page. For your convenience, I have already created one contract page on my WordPress. You can do it easily. I am just going to edit this contract form and apply the shortcut code just by pasting this code and update. Now go to the page of the contract form. Let's see what is appearing here. Oh, this is a wonderful contract us form. This is the your name, your email address, subject and your body. Just by inputting this data, user will send it towards you. Now go to the backend side to see the actual configuration of the form. Just click on this form contract and click edit. Just see how you can configure yourself. This is the level, your name, this is required text and your name. Level 2, this is your email address required. Actually this is the text, you can type anything here. Let's do it ourselves. Remove all the elements from here. Just click on text. This is not required actually. Just write first name. First name colon, enter, then click text. This is required. Write first name, default value first first name. Use this as a placeholder, that is it will appear on the field. And click here and just click on insert tag. Okay, this is the first one, and next again last name. Okay, colon and again click on text, write last name, and this is required. Insert this tag. Okay, let's see what happened now. Save. Okay, then go to the contract page, reload this page. You can see first name, here is the first name option, and last name, here is the last name option. Now add another line, email, colon, enter, click on email, this is required, and email, default value, your mail @domain.com, replace holder, insert, and finally just click on submit button, write SUBMIT, and save it. Then just reload the contract page. We see that this is the structure, this is the design. We missed one form. Actually we need to enter before submit your message, colon, enter, write text area, put your comments here. Sorry, this is hello comment. This is the required field. Use this as a placeholder, insert it in the, save it, go to the contract us page, reload, and you can see this is the contract form that I have created just now. Now let's see, this will not work actually. Do some abc@gmail.com, but it will not working actually, though it is saying that thank you for your message, it's at send, but this message will not be sent at this email address because we have to configure the mailing address. Oh, by default the mailing address is created here, so this works accurately, I think. Okay, let's explain the issue. This is to where the mail will be sent, and from, this is the from option, and this is the subject option, and additional header reply to your email address. Message body will appear like this: your name, your email address, subject, your body, and your message. You can remove this one. You can write thanks EDD. That's all actually in general configuration. Now the invalid mailbox is used in reply field, your email address. Actually this will be the tag. Okay, That's all. Now coming to the message option, what will be present while you send mail was successfully sent, then thank you for your message, it has been sent, just like this one. And there are some other messages you can change as you want actually. And additional setting, what happened here, you can add custom code script here, no need actually. And this is actually all about the contract form configuration. You can rename it as basic TSCT contract form, okay, and save it and reload it. That's all about the contract form 7 actually. The basic knowledge that you required is fully. The basic things that you have to know about contract form 7 is already covered. You can see our further videos for advanced level WordPress contract form 7 configuration. Today I am going to finish this tutorial here. I think this tutorial will be helpful for you and wish you all the best. Thank you very much.